Hey guys, welcome back to another Arduino beginners project. Today we're going to build a doorbell system using Arduino, and I'm going to be showing you the full wiring setup, the full code. Stay tuned because everything's happening right here in Pelox Industries. We're going to be needing few components for this project. This is a breadboard. We're also going to be needing the Arduino Uno. This is called the buzzer. This will make the sound. This is called the push button, and we're going to need some jumper wires. This is the wiring setup I'm going to be using for this project. If you take your time and look at this wiring setup, you're going to know where every single one of these wires are going to. As you can see, the red wire in the buzzer is going to digital pin 8 and the black wire is going to GND. You can look at the switch, the push button also. Just take a close look and you're going to get every single wire and where it is going to. So this is my wiring setup. I'm going to be plugging it in now to the system. I'm going to plug into the system, as you can see. And we're going to be uploading the code. So this is the code we're going to be using for this project. You can as well check under the description of this video for the full code. Once you have uploaded the code, your doorbell should be active now. Once you press the push button, you're going to see that the buzzer is going to make a sound, as you can see in this video. So that's all for this video. You can as well check out my other Arduino projects on this channel. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next project. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.